Once you install and open the app, you'll be prompted to download content. Go ahead and click Download Now. Then select your region and language. This impacts the content of the app and will help the Keysight Sales Catalog load up data specifically for your needs. Once you've made your selection, click Download. iOS users will also be asked if they'd like to accept notifications. Go ahead and do so you can stay informed of key events. Obviously, for this part of the process, you'll need to be online. But once this is done, you can also use the Sales Catalog offline and without interruption in areas with a weak or even no signal. You can change your region and language at any time, here under Settings, using the Update Content button. Also, be sure to come to Settings and then to Preferences to enable auto updates so that your catalog can remain up to date as new products and information are added. And again, if you haven't allowed notifications already, you can also do that here.